In this video, I'll show you how to remove the blend feature on Instagram. So if I open up the Instagram here and go to the message section, and he'll get to see I already got a blend request and I already joined to that blend. So if I go to the blend here, it's showing the recommended all reels that this profile is actually being suggested for. So you can actually watch these reels from here. But if you want to delete or remove this blend from here, all you have to do from the blend, you just need to tap on this settings icon at the top right, and you'll get to see a few different options how blends work. You can tap on this and you can see how it's actually really works. And now to leave or delete this blend, you just need to tap on leave this blend. You can tap on this and tap on leave, and the blend will be removed from your account. You can tap on this, go to the blend again, and he'll get to see it's showing to join again. And this is how you can remove the blend on Instagram. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.